It almost felt unreal for us. We hadn't been expecting this. This is genuinely rewarding, and it's really hard to describe the feeling.
Yeah, being recognized by our peers is a wonderful feeling. It brings recognition to our work, and also it shows that we are relevant with our research topics, and that really means a lot in the community. I think with our peers and faculty members that use the case, it feels relatable. Most of the time, this is something that they have themselves experienced in their own institutions, so they can relate to what they are teaching with the case. And the case we find is also flexible, and in the sense that they are conceptual frameworks that we may not have thought about that also apply to the case study. If I take an example, responsible AI today is an interesting way to talk about the case as well.
We also have to mention the fact here that the case remained relevant despite of the rapid expansion of AI, which is, I think, a very important aspect. And concerning students, I think for them it's an exciting case because they learn about such part of the university they are not aware of in their everyday life. And at the same time, this case is that type where there are no trivial answers, so it's really challenging to solve the case. Start with something you genuinely care about, something where you have real life experience, and this kind of authenticity immediately becomes contagious and makes the case engaging.
I think to add to that, it's also important to do something where students feel that they have real added value, especially today in the age of AI. It's important that students can think critically and do it on their own and have to really think about the case and something that they can then bring to their future job. So I think keeping it with that in mind, having that in mind is really important.